Coughs are a problem that happen to all of us at some point in the year, particularly at this time of year. A cough can last for up to 3 weeks, and it can be classed as self-limiting, which means that it will ease itself generally. To help the symptoms with your cough, it's a good idea to visit your pharmacist. They can advise you on what's best over-the-counter products to buy, but also when it's important to see your GP. Things that are good to use are paracetamol and ibuprofen if it's appropriate for you to take, or over-the-counter cough medicines are also very good. Steam inhalation and menthol can help you feel a little bit better also. Times that we would really need to see you are if you have a sudden onset of sharp pain when you're coughing, if you've got any blood in your sputum, so that's your phlegm, if you've got any underlying conditions that affect the heart or the breathing, so asthma, COPD, are good times to come and see us.